Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? SM plus art. Smart. Al plus leak. Al leak. Smart Alec. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thanks, Gene. Hi, folks, and welcome again to our show. On my right, lady who's won over $10,000 on our program. Her name is Debbie Pizzo. Welcome back, Debbie.
Hi, Alex.
One strike against you only. Hope that doesn't work against you in the first game today. Yesterday was kind of a strange show. I don't know what it is you did to Gordon 80. He came in, and in about 7 minutes' time, he beat you in a game, wound up winning a brand new car, and left.
He really needed that car.
He did indeed.
Yeah,
Well, now you've got to contend with this young gentleman on my left. His name is Brad Flack. Hiya, Brad.
Hi, Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ontario, California. I'm a software salesman and about to get married in 3 weeks.
Good for you. Ready to play for some good
I'm
prizes?
ready to win.
Take a look over here. This might be the honeymoon you're looking for.
Roomba to your heart's content at a captivating Rio de Janeiro resort. Brazil, the emerald capital of the world, is yours as you and your guests fly from Los Angeles to Rio de Janeiro via Varig Airlines, enjoying the comfort, service, and in-flight hospitality furnished by Varig Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the exciting Hotel Intercontinental Rio, located on South Honrado Beach. Enjoy the sun, fun, and quality of this full-service resort hotel. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Well, let's show our players, Brad and Debbie, where they can find that holiday. Rio de Janeiro. Now, we say you can rumba in Rio. You can do that, of course, but more appropriately, you'd be doing the samba in Rio. Brad, you get to pick first.
Let's start out with number 5 up in the top corner.
Up in the right-hand corner, custom drapes.
Let's try it over at number 11.
Designer table lamps. No match. Debbie.
Well, I could use those drapes in my new house. In number 16.
16. Green take.
That would always be nice. Let's see if the match for that's under number 3.
No designer table lamps. Brad.
Let's look back underneath number 11.
Lamps.
And number 3.
3 and 11 is a combination that works right now for Brad Flack. Let's show him. The result of this match is not that helpful, I don't think. Select again, Brad.
All right, let's take a look under number 14.
Ice cream maker.
That'd be nice. Let's look under number 6.
Home security system. No match. Debbie.
Okay, what's under number 12?
Wild card.
And right next door, number 13.
Rio de Janeiro. All right. We have the Rio de Janeiro vacation just above it, and that means 3 panels in a bunch opening up for you, Debbie. Select again.
19, please.
Red take.
Was that? I don't know where it was. What was under number 5?
Now, that was the custom drapes that you wanted for your house.
I just got so flustered by that vacation.
Well, that's all right. Now you've got to try to hold on to it.
Yeah.
Brad.
Let's take a look under number 16.
Green take.
Number 24.
Wild card, so you're going to get the green take out of it. The other one on the board at 18. You're going to use it now, or are you going to
use
save
it now? Bring Rio over.
Bring Rio over, he says. All right, we will do that, and we will show Brad these 3 panels. Remember that the red take is still in play on the board. Brad, pick again.
Let's look up at number 1.
Bedroom group.
That'd be real nice. Number 22.
Home security system.
That
Debbie?
home security system was under number 6.
Yes.
And I forgot where he just showed it to us, at 22?
22 is a match, yes. Are you getting tired? Are you beginning to feel the pressure, Debbie?
You know, I just need to bring my sofa from home, and then it'll be much easier.
Oh,
like you're at home playing.
You play a lot better when you're leaning back in your sofa?
Yeah.
Have the baby in your arms?
Yeah.
A little bit of feeding going on at the same time? Well, you should have brought Nicholas today, and you could have fed him here and, played the game. Let's open these 2 panels. When I talked about bringing Nicholas here and feeding him, I got a laugh out of the audience. Some of the future contestants who have gotten to meet you Are you breastfeeding or bottle feeding?
Bottle.
Good. Okay, then you could bring.
Yeah.
Let's select again.
Okay.
Oh.
Number 14, please.
Ice cream maker.
And number 9?
Wild card. Not a big prize to use a wild card on, but it helps you retain control of the board, and it may provide you with enough panels to solve the puzzle. Let's show the other ice cream maker in the lower right-hand corner, and now let's swing them open. Go again.
15, please.
Bedroom group.
And we sure need that. How about number 1 for the match?
How about the number 1 for the bedroom group? Swing them open quickly. Debbie wants to move here. Select again.
Gosh, I just don't know what it is yet. Number 21, please.
Portable pub.
Well, my husband would like that, whatever it is, if it's a pub. Number 19 for the match.
Is that a husband put down?
No, it was a joke, a
It was
loving
a joke. Is he going to see it as a joke also?
Yeah, he has a good sense of humor.
All right, good. Brad.
Well, let's take a look up under 20.
20. Diamond tennis bracelet.
That would look good on me. Number 4.
Physician's scale. Debbie?
Okay, I sure would like that bracelet. Is that under number 17?
No, that's the physician's scale.
And number 4?
You made the match. You should be happy about that. You aren't that tickled about a physician's scale?
Well, as you know, I just had a baby, so I don't want to get on that scale right away.
Right away. It takes time to lose the weight. It took you 9 months to gain all the weight. You know.
No, it really didn't. It took very little time to gain weight. But
Really?
Yeah.
3 days?
That was about it.
55 pounds in 3 days. Boom.
We were on vacation in Hawaii doing some scuba diving and visiting my family. And as soon as I found out I was pregnant, that was it. We went to every restaurant we could.
Oh, hello. So you use that as an excuse to pig
Yeah,
out. Well, now you've
basically.
got to suffer.
Yeah.
But you could have the physician scale. Take a look.
Okay.
Select again.
Okay, number 2, please.
Portable pub.
21 for the match.
Boy, you remember that very easily. Some things are more important than others. Swing these 2 doors open for Debbie. Try it again.
Number 19, please.
Now, if you make the match on this, you can reclaim the Rio vacation.
Right, if I could only figure this out. How about number 23?
No.
No.
Custom drapes. Brad,
Let's look up in number 10 and number 19.
there's the match on the
There
take.
we go.
Debbie's looking over to see what you're going to grab. I know. You want the
I want the bedroom set.
bedroom set.
I want the bedroom set.
All righty.
I can use some furniture.
About to be newlywed wants the bedroom set. We will open these 2 panels for Brad Flack. All right.
One more match.
One more match.
Number 23
Custom drapes.
and number 5.
5, that makes it a match. Those drapes go up in your column. Those panels will open for your benefit. We will show you 7 and 20, and that prize, the diamond tennis bracelet, be a nice wedding present for your bride. We'll open, and we'll see if you can win it all by solving this puzzle.
Is it the Canadian Mounted Police?
Whoa, this is going to be tough for me now. I want you to say it exactly as you did right now.
Is it Canadian Mounted Police?
All right. Is it Canadian Mounted Police? Yes, it is. All right, Brad. I wasn't sure you said it that way the first time, but we'll check on the tape. Meanwhile, let's go to the board and see what happens.
Well, up here we have the can, the nay, and the D for Canadian, for Canadian, the mound, the pitcher's mound, Teddy Roosevelt for Ted, mounted, and the pole and the lease for Canadian Mounted Police.
Canadian Mounted Police. The Mounties always get their man. In this case, the Mounties got
okay.
Debbie, and you're going away, however, a big winner, over
Yes.
$10,000 in prizes.
Thank you
for
very
Debbie.
much.
Take care. So long.
Bye. Good luck.
All right, Brad, let's hear about these prizes. Gene, tell them.
Custom Drapes, Alante, Burlington House Antique Satin Draperies featuring lined or unlined draperies, matching tie backs, balloon shades, and valances furnished by Burlington House, and designer table lamps, Rembrandt lamps, elegant table lamp, hand finished in warm cherry and heirloom brass with a cream silk shade, crafted by skilled artisans, furnished by Rembrandt lamps, and a diamond tennis bracelet, a fashionable 14-karat gold tennis bracelet with 62 round diamonds, each hand set in 4 prongs. 1 carat total weight from the Michael C. Fina Company, and a bedroom group. Lehigh Bedroom Furniture adds warmth and charm to your bedroom. This all-wood bedroom furniture is beautifully styled, solidly built, and rich with detail. Furnished by Lehigh. And, of course, fantastic Rio de Janeiro. And, Brad, you have prizes totaling $8,794.
Wow. What a big win for his first time in the game. We'll be back after this. In 29 seconds. Let's see if you can do the same thing. 15 numbered squares and 35 seconds. Base time on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
7, 2,
Yes.
10, 11,
No.
13, 14,
No.
14, 5,
No.
14, 4,
Yes.
13, 5,
No.
3, 6,
No.
6, 11,
No.
9, 12,
No.
13, 9,
Yep.
15, 10,
No.
1.
Not going to work for you. Not the way it did, but that's all right. You've certainly done very, very well in that one game. $8,794, including a honeymoon in Rio de Janeiro. We're back with another game after this.
Special
Pretty lady to welcome as a contestant to Classic Concentration. Her name is Stacy Studebaker, SS.
Yes.
Hiya, Stacy. Welcome
Hi.
aboard.
Nice to
Tell me
see
a
you.
little bit about yourself quickly. Where are you
I'm
from?
a recent graduate from UCLA, and right now I'm pursuing a career in advertising.
Advertising. All right, good for you. Take a look over here. Great addition to your jewelry collection.
Part of the Nancy Diamond Jewelry Design Collection, this beautiful opal pendant crafted in 14 karat, glows with the natural hues of color and sparkles with 5 diamonds, furnished by the Nancy Diamond Company. Alex.
Lovely piece. Stacy and Brad will show you where you can find it on the board. At number 1, the diamond and opal pendant. Because this is the second game of the day, we have the bonus car seconds. The cash pot has $900 in it, and we also have a vacation in Chicago. And Stacy, you get to go first.
Okay, I'm looking for the match to that pendant, and I'm going to try under number 24, please.
Let's see what we have there. Wild card.
Right. And number 1.
24 and 1 for the diamond and opal pendant. The natural match right next to the wild card at number 23. Stacy is starting off on the right foot. Let's see if we have revealed enough here to get some sense of this puzzle. No, we haven't.
Not quite enough.
Go again.
14, please. 11 for the match.
Chandelier. No match. Brad?
Start with number 5, 13,
No. Green take. Back to Stacy.
17.
Wild card again.
And number 5 for the car
5 for the
second.
bonus car seconds. The other bonus seconds are at number 19. 3 more panels opening for this young lady.
Three, please, at the top. 11.
You remembered. Well done. Good match. 3 in a row for Stacy. Let's see what happens now.
Can't quite get it.
This is a tough puzzle.
Yes. Let's see what's on the side. Number 15, please. 25, please.
Yes. Hey, you came ready, didn't you?
Surprising myself.
Why are you surprising yourself? When you practice at home, are you this good?
Not this good.
No, but you're good.
I'm pretty good.
Pretty good. All right, you've got the take as insurance for later on. We will open these 2 panels for you. Keep surprising yourself, Stacy. Keep it going.
21.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. 14.
Yes, for $900. At least the possibility of $900 coming your way. And once again, a look at the puzzle. Go again.
Okay, still looking for that trip under number 8.
Satellite
Satellite
dish.
dish.
Good prize.
13.
No. Green take.
Okay.
Brad.
Let's look up at number 7.
Wild card.
And let's try number 2 right above it.
Number 2 is a radio and cassette recorder. I thought you might have gone for that satellite dish. Of course, I'm partial to watching sports on television. Let's show you the other radio and cassette recorder right next door. And now we will open 3 panels for Brad's benefit. Select again.
Let's look up under number 9.
Deluxe food processor.
That would be good. Number 20.
Green take. Stacy.
Let's look under number 10, please, Alex.
10 is golf clubs.
Golf clubs. Well, we haven't seen what's under number 4. Let's try that.
Deluxe food processor. Brad.
Number 12.
Satellite dish.
Number 8.
Satellite dish, yes. Great prize. You get this one. You'll be very happy. Trust me. The 2 panels will now swing open. See if you can solve the puzzle. Go again.
Number 13. Number 20.
Yes. You've got a take. Stacy has a take. She has some prizes up there that might be of interest. The cash or the 5 bonus car seconds.
I want the bonus car seconds, Alex.
All right. Bonus car seconds going over to Brad's side, and these 2 panels swinging open for his benefit. Select again.
Number 22.
Golf clubs.
Number 10.
Golf clubs. Right, just 2 more prizes left on the board. Brad, can you solve this puzzle now? Pick again.
Number 16.
Chicago.
Ooh, and number 18.
Chicago. All right, that holiday goes up. Those panels open. 4 and 9 will now be opened for you. Deluxe food processor. And when we swing these panels around, I want you to solve the puzzle, Brad.
I get a kick out of you.
Is that I get a kick out of you? And we're getting a kick out of Brad because he's good at playing this game. Come on, Brad, let's go to the board. Big win for you once again.
This is a tough one here. We've got the I, or the Cowboys I, the G and the hit for get, hay for I get hay, K-I-H in the cow, and the dove, kick, cow, dove, you. I get a kick out of you.
Kai-Cow-W, huh? It's the old Kai-Cow-W trick. Doesn't matter. You won the game, and you've handed Stacy just her first X, so we will see her in our next game.
Good luck,
so long,
Brad.
Stacy.
Thank you.
Brad, you've got a lot of prizes coming your way again. Let's hear about them. Gene.
A radio cassette recorder, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a radio and cassette recorder or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a deluxe food processor, Vitamix stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes, and golf clubs, a set of totally matched golf clubs finely engineered for optimum performance. Square 2 is the official club of the LPGA, furnished by the Square 2 Golf Company, and the satellite dish. Enjoy a front row seat for hundreds of satellite TV channels. See movies, sports, news, and your favorite game shows with this easy-to-use General Instrument satellite system. And Chicago! We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Chicago. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the new guest quarters. You'll feel the pulse of Chicago while in the lap of luxury on the Magnificent Mile, furnished by Guest Quarters Suite Hotel. And the 5 bonus car seconds. And you have won, Brad, a prize package worth $7,468.
Wow. That's close to $16,000 in just 2 games. And another chance at a brand new car after this. Averaging over $8,000 for each of his 2 games. And now he gets to play for the cars again. 15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on the clock. But you did get the 5 bonus seconds, and so you're working with 3/4 of a minute. 45 seconds, Brad. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No again.
7, 8,
No.
10, 11,
No.
5, 10,
No.
4, 10,
No.
13, 14,
No.
8, 13,
No.
3, 6, 13-6.
No.
14-6.
No.
9-12.
No.
12-7.
No.
12-4.
No. Yes.
1-2.
No.
1-9.
No.
1-6.
No.
1-3.
No.
10-3.
No.
This isn't going well.
If you were in Vegas right now, you'd be losing a lot of money at the crap table, but that's okay. You made enough in the 2 games. 16,262, and you will play again. Gene, tell us about another prize.
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm three-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life, furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
So long, everyone. Join us next time.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.